Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can join a Discord server on Discord. It's really easy and it won't take you a lot of time. So let's jump right into it and show you how you do it. So once you get an invite link to a Discord server from a friend or I don't know, someone, what you need to do is just click on that link that your friend gave you, which will take you to Discord's website, or you also have the option of copying the link that your friend gave you, and just once you're on Discord, go to the left side of your screen and press on the plus sign which says add a server. Once you press add a server, what you want to do is go on the bottom side of this prompt, have an invite link already, and just click on join a server. Here you should enter the link that your friend gave you, which should look like the one given here, like https discord.gg slash a certain code. And once you've entered that link, the only thing left to do is for you to press join server. As you can see right here, I can't join the server because I have no invite, but in your case, it should automatically make you join that server. Also, if you want to go back, you can also create your own server right here. You also have a bunch of templates: gaming, friends, study group, artists, clubs, local community. And just a bunch of options of making your own server and inviting the people that you want to join your server, your friends, your I don't know. And yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Cheers.